This is how to repair the ropes and sash windows. So on this particular window, both the top and the bottom window have counterbalance weights, and they have string like this, rope like this, that goes through the pulley down inside this chamber to a hole. So the first thing is you remove this trim here, and then you can take out that window, and then you set it aside there, and then inside there you'll find these removable panels right here, and they have a screw. So you undo that screw, you'll find a piece of wood this shape. This V slots inside there, and then that screw there retains it in place. So once you've removed that screw, here's the V I was talking about in there, and this is where the other screw attaches this, and inside here you'll find the weights. All right. Now the rope goes like this. So when you're restringing it, you want the rope coming over here and out here, over this rope, and then back through, but on the inside of that, and then you pull it tight. But first of all, you want to be setting it. You want to put your rope through here, and you fish it out of this hole before you tie it onto that. And then you pull that rope all the way to the top. You pull that rope so the weight is all the way to the top, and then you lay your window here, all right? Just even if it's just on the windowsill, and then you look for the recess there, and with your finger, so you pull the rope, and with your finger you're measuring where the knot needs to be, so the weight is all the way at the top, and then your finger is where that is, and you hold your string there, and that point on the rope is then where you tie the knot.